Welcome to the InsideTechnician.com. This is Jeff Killian, and today's video presentation is on making the case for technical analysis in 2011. Technical analysis is by definition the study of price movements within price charts using trend lines, volume analysis, chart patterns, and mathematical indicators based on price and time to determine the current state of security and the greater probabilities of its future price directional movement. The two main methods to analyze securities and make investment decisions are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Now, as we know, fundamental analysis focuses in on arriving at a valuation of a security by using the company's own data and employing various models in hopes of determining its real worth at that moment in time. Then it will attempt to forecast a future price level where that security might arrive at in a certain period of time based on what the models have provided. Now, by nature, these models are very subjective, and because of that may not allow us to determine if there's a real opportunity for us to trade and make money or not. Moreover, fundamental analysis gives us no indication in our favor as to when to buy the security and then when to sell it. And most importantly, we have no way to determine the real supply and demand that security will experience in the future because all the information is closely held within the inner circle. And I'm talking about the insiders, those that have the real information and do not want to disseminate it. Technical analysis is the preferred method to use to determine if there's a real opportunity or not, for the simple reason that it's 100% objective and immediately reveals the true supply and demand of a security, regardless of what the reported fundamentals or news is that the inner circle is broadcasting. All indicators within technical analysis that are used to assess the current state or predict future price movement of a security are all mathematical formulas based on price, time, and volume. Now, this is our greatest advantage in trading or investing because everything that we're using to make our investment or trading decisions is now objective and is not subject to interpretation. And this gives us all the more confidence to act on the real buying and selling opportunities when they present themselves. What we do here at the Inside Technician is not that difficult to understand. And learning how to read and interpret only a handful of indicators and price charts is going to help you tremendously. And even if your broker or financial advisor has legitimate recommendations, you now have the ability to analyze and determine when to buy and when to sell. Now, that's a positional advantage. Always know that technical analysis is our visual roadmap and compass, telling us where we are right now, and more importantly, the direction we're headed for in the short and longer term future. On this end, for the past 12 years, I've consistently outperformed the market averages by a wide margin. Now, that's no coincidence. It happens because I use the best time-proven technical analysis techniques, and I take only high probability trades. I'm referring to when I'm sure that the insiders in the market, the people who actually move stock prices, have bought. This is how a professional does it, and this is why my methodology works. Now, this year, in 2011, apart from the weekly Inside Market Analysis webinar, we're opening up the business and we're offering the Foundations course and one-on-one mentoring, developmental training with me to learn how to become a real-life profitable trader. Now, the selection process is tight, I have to say that. But if you're serious, if you're truly committed, I guarantee you, I will go the extra mile to make sure that you arrive here with me in the winner's circle. This is Jeff Killian. I thank you for being with me today. and I look forward to working with all of you in getting it right in 2011.